I'd like to call onto stage Mr. TV Chandran, our filmmaker in the retrospective. Mr. TV Chandran. We all know his films. We're really proud to present his work. There is a whole generation that may not have seen these films. So we're very happy that the audience of Kerala and the international audience will now get to see his film. Mr. TV Chandran. We have with us Mr. Olivier Assayas. I request you to come onto stage. Great filmmaker from France. Utterly honored to have him over here. Mr. Assayas. We are having him as a contemporary filmmaker in focus. We are supported by Culture France. He's come here all the way from France to present his films. Thank you, Olivier. Also welcome all the filmmakers, the opening filmmakers. We have both the producer and the director, who will subsequently, before the film, we will introduce to you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have 1 week of good film viewing. Thank you.